So guys, welcome back to my channel once again. Yeah, I want to quickly run through BTC updates, and let's go to the previous chart so that I'll show you guys what has been happening, what we talked about, and what we'll likely see. So let me go down to 2 hours time frame, where we're going to see the head and shoulder chart pattern, which I dropped on my signal channel. Yeah, so as you can see here, started looking at this formation around here when price actually moved down. So when price actually moved down, we're looking at price at the head and shoulder chart pattern here. So I paid close attention to this test of the support, and when it got to the right shoulder, the test of the support tried to break through, and we got a lot of fake breakdown to the downside. It's very important you understand this message. Very, very important. I don't really care about why this is going up and push back down, but the rules about support and resistance is when the price continues to lean at a particular level for too long, there's high probability to break down or break up through that level. So, and you can see it. We've got a lot of tests of this resistance here, and it wasn't a good sign that price would push back up. I will only be bullish when price pushes back above the right shoulder. But as you can see, the long awaited breakdown was activated here. So let's go to BTC USDT, and I want to use a different move here. So yes, let's look at the bigger picture, and I'm going to explain this starting from the Ichimoku here. Yeah, so from here now, I explained and I told you guys, I kept on showing you guys why you should try as much as possible to close your short-term long position. It's not, the message I'm seeing here is not a good message, because everything is below the cloud. Everything is bearish. What are those things I'm saying that they are below the cloud? These are the three Ichimoku metrics. They are all below the cloud, and the future cloud is bearish. So this is not a good time for you to hold that short-term long position. But if you're holding for long-term, fine. You can move it to an offline wallet and keep it there. So now, what the big question now is, what am I expecting? What do I think will happen next? It's very easy and straightforward. This is what I'm seeing. First of all, I love pointing out my support and resistance. Major support is here. Major support is here. Another support is here, which I think this is very likely to play out very soon. So what do I think will happen next? Yes, something is forming, which I think is almost done with the formation. We still have another top head and shoulder chart pattern from here. As you can see, it's very, very clear here. Top head and shoulder chart pattern here, and this is the right head, and this is the left, the right, and the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder. So this is how it's drawn here, right, left, sorry, I don't know why I'm mentioning that, I'm getting confused with the names. Head and the small right shoulder. So what is the take profit levels? What take profit levels from here? You drag and drop here. So that's why I mentioned this major support here, where price will try to come back to. Now, what are the targets to the downside? The first thing I pay attention to here, is there are those support levels. support levels here, support levels here, support levels here. So these levels, they are very important. But what I need is the confirmation. What will that confirmation be? I need the body of the candlestick to violate this upsloping support. And how will it do that? By what? Closing below this psychological support level. So why I call it a psychological support level is because that level, everyone knows that, okay, BTC has been bouncing at this place, so there's high probability to bounce and go back up. Yes, we need this to break below this level before we get this push to the downside. If it doesn't break below this level, we'll get a push back up. But the whole market now is bearish for now, so you don't need to take any fast action to say you want to buy it all now. So you can just split your buy, draw down. So let's look at ETH very fast, so that I would end this video. And yeah, so first thing first, it broke down from this drop we had previously, and what we are seeing here is a rounding top, and what is that rounding top? It's a chart pattern, and this chart pattern is called okay, it's a bearish reversal chart pattern. A bearish reversal chart pattern is pattern you see at the top of the trend. So what are the targets? Rounding top here, take the top down to this level, and we'll drag and drop it here. So what are the possible targets? Yes, very clear possible target is here. We'll have this major level here, and we can split all remaining targets from here. It's even close to the first target, to here, and lastly to this place. So if all these targets are triggered, we'll likely get more push to the downside. So I'm just showing you guys what we should be expecting soon. You can see the body of the candlestick is below this level, so we want this to close this way. And what about the Ichimoku? What is the Ichimoku saying? The same thing. So if you look at a lot of 98% of all the coins, they are all below the cloud, which is giving you that perfect signal. Don't open a long position, a short-term long position. Just look for that in and out to the downside, like I used to do, which is the 1, 2, 3, 4 bearish move to the downside. Whenever you see price going way up or way down to one direction, you look for that in and out move. You use your Fibonacci extension ratio to calculate that in and out, and you make a profit. Yeah, so and that's all. I just want to update you guys. I'll try my best to keep up with the chat update on the Signal group. If you have not joined my Signal group, please do well to click on the link below to join my Signal group on Telegram. Ask me any question on Telegram, on Twitter. I will try my best to answer those questions. And yes, our promo will end today. The VIP promo will end today. Why? Because today is January 6th, and my Signal channel is 2 years old today. So to celebrate that, we are doing we reduce our price for the 2 months subscription, which is from $86 down to $17 for 2 months. Yes, if you have not taken advantage of that, the form will end today. Do well to take advantage of that, and we'll be happy to see you there. So guys, that will be the end of the video. Do take care of yourself, stay safe, and trade with caution. Bye guys.